2018 Lincoln Continental. The Continental is synonymous with the flagship of the Lincoln brand. Lincoln Continental delivers comfort and technology in a stylish, full-size package. Packed with technology, computer electronics are applied to nearly every facet of the driving experience. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.